Trailers. So my giant whoppers are 3.4 by 12 or 13 and a half. And I've also got 4 meters, so 4 meter trailers by another 13 and a half. This is 12. So another all the way this and this thick as well, right? Trailers to here and to there, all that. So it's like, it's so much bigger of the house. It's crazy, man. And you know what's cool about the trailers? We've got our own stumping system. So bang, when you drop it off, boom, stump. We've got lifting lugs, so these can be put over houses and things like that. And I've thought about it so they don't wreck the tires. And I've put lifting lugs on it, so and legs on it near the tires, so the tire goes off the ground, you know what I mean, like 40 mil. And even if the ground sinks, and if it starts sinking too much, you can put this one up a bit more and that one up. As long as it's off the ground, the tires, it'll protect your tires, and they'll then last for years. Because you know how you see old cars and the tires pop because of the pressure and with the heat and cold and heat. So that's what's cool about the trailer, and it's such cool trailers. And I've got engineering for all of these. And the difference with my company, and I'll tell you it is the difference, is my trailers are bigger than all my houses, all my competition, because every single house you see in my yard, the big ones, the giant ones, medium ones, the fat ones, all on trailers, and engineered as well, that it's a real trailer. Also, it's also, if you take the wheels off in 1 year or 2 years, because it's like, oh, I'm gonna stay here forever, I might as well put it through council. Thank God you brought it off Teeny Tiny Homes, because mine come with all the certifications to become a trailer home to a Class 1A home, because I've got the room, and I've made all the room for wheelchairs. I've got all the sizes, all the measurements, all the Class 1A requirements to make it a real house. I do it in the trailers. And so it's a double whammy buying mine. So if you do buy someone else's and you really want to stump it, or you're not allowed to put it, you're not allowed to live in a trailer, because that's what they're going to do eventually. And then probably from that, you're going to be spewing you brought it from somewhere else, because the problem is now you've just got a trailer that's a trailer. You can't, no one can buy it, you can't certify it, you're not allowed to live there, you've got in trouble, you can't sell it to no one that wants a granny flat. With my ones, bang. That's what's good about them. They're an asset. Honestly, man, when you sell mine, people grab it, they pick it up from Queensland, put it in the middle of Sydney in someone's backyard, and they'll pass. Hey, the Smoko truck's here.